all you girls out there, I don't know what and all you carry in your handbag, but there is one pouch that you definitely need to carry in your handbag for all last minute party that comes up, or any last minute function that you need to attend after work, or could be anything. So you need to have this pouch, and I'll tell you at least what and all basic things you need. So you should carry a concealer, a kajal, lipstick, eyeliner, and eyebrow palette, as well as a highlighter too. And if you can find a small blush stick, then carry that as well. And I also carry a razor for any last minute eyebrow is not set or any hair needs to be removed or something, so I carry that as well. So yes, and recently one function has come up and I really don't have my makeup kit with me, which I usually carry for all my travel. So this is something which is always in my handbag, and it just saved me. I do not have the foundation, so I went and bought MAC's foundation yesterday, so I'm kind of sorted for now. And a bindi also, if you feel that you might need to attend a function and you really need a bindi. So yeah, these things will definitely fit in a pouch like this, and you will be definitely sorted for all last minute thing that comes up. So yes, that's a small hack from my end.